Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change gradient color. First of all, open up a blank workspace here. Then go to the Elements tab. Now at the search bar, type in gradient and choose any one of the gradients graphic here. Now to change the color of it, you can click on these color circles here. After that, click on this color, then change into any color you want. After that, you can see that the color has been changed. Now if you want to change this color of the gradient, you can click on this color which is respective to it and click on the same color again. After that, you can choose any color you want. I am choosing red here. Now you can see that the color has been changed. There are 3 total colors used in this gradient picture. If you want to change another color also, you can simply click on this next color and again click here, then change into the color you want. After that, you can see that we have successfully changed the gradient color in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.